Hi guys, Joe from Prepper in the Woods, and today we're reviewing a stove. Now basically I got this one because I have a small stove. I think it's a bush box for myself from when I go to the woods and stuff. But then the other spectrum I have is that massive stove that you might have saw me using when I was camping. So I needed a stove that's for 2 people but also compact. I'm going to the Bushcraft show in July with my girlfriend, so if you are there going as well, make sure you say hello. I'll be wearing a Prepper in the Woods hoodie and t-shirts and stuff, so you'll always stick out. Basically, yeah, so we're gonna fire this up now, cook some army food, and see how we get on with this one. So this is one of those generic stoves with the long titles from eBay. I only paid £12 for it, so that wasn't too bad. So even if it's not great, I could still do something with it. Comes with a case, as you see here. Obviously I never used it. Has all the stuff on it for doesn't get scratched up. Alright, so there's your bits there. That's how it looks. And what I'll do is I'll take off all the bits so you don't get bored watching that, and then I'll just get this ready.
2 hours later.
Right, so if you see my other videos, I have a few medical issues I have at the moment, and one of them is my my hands, the dexterity of my hands and the feeling of my hands. I peeled off all the blue off these bits, and I managed to peel off the outside bit. It's taken me quite a while. I can't get off the hinges because my hands just won't let me do it, and then the insides also has blue covered everywhere in there, as you can see. So I'm just gonna burn it off, because it's taken me 20 minutes now to get the outside done, and to get the inside I'm running out of light and it's gonna rain soon, so I want to get this kind of done today. So I'm just gonna burn it off. But if you're a young whippersnapper, I'm sure you can peel off all the blue. For me personally, it's not working well, so I'm just gonna cook it as is. Right, so these were the parts that were inside I took out, and then to set up, all you have to do is basically open it, and then this bottom tray will pop down, as you can see there, and it goes onto a shelf which has a hook there and a hook there, and that's all done, and that's your air coming from the bottom. And it has this little ashtray that way. Yeah. Okay, so the ashtray is in. So you have plenty of air coming from this side here, holes there, door open if you want it, but there's also air coming out of that side there. So, and then this part here will just sit on top like so, and that's how it would look. So you feed fire in there, stove on top, and then you can close it up, and it has a little handle here, and then that'll keep the door closed. So I think for £12 this is pretty good so far, minus all this blue crap. But yeah, I like that so far, and the wood could just rest in there if you have long bits or not. But yeah, let's get it started now. One of these dips in there, about there. Just put some dry wood in the bottom to get going, and I got some more wood. So I'm just going to take little bits of wood here, peel them off, pop them in. This wood here, see that? Peel off. Alright, so that's going well. I'm just going to use the canteen from the other video I made. This is one of my used and abused ones. What we're going to do is we're going to have an all-day breakfast, vegetarian. So, oh, dog heard that. Then pop it on top, see how it handles the weight. Fold this down. And then I'll put the lid on like before, just to warm it up. So, okay, let's see. Okay, so that's water MRE. Water, MRE, everything in it. Handling the weight fine. I'm just going to keep feeding this fire a little bit, pushing everything in. I'll tell you what, the airflow on this is absolutely fantastic. I mean, that's, you know, really, really well. Considering how far the pot is from the fire, we're getting some pretty substantial flames here. And I'm only using a bit of dry wood. I'm not using anything too advanced, but I'm really happy with the amount of burn this is doing. It's really good. Heat wise from it, I mean, I could put my hand, let me show you. So if my hand's here, I wouldn't say that's hot now, only because of that flame just shot up. But the hand I could touch. So, but it's putting out a really good flame. I mean, look at that. Right, that's boiled enough for me. What I'm going to do is, as it's raining, I want to hurry this up a little bit because I don't want to get my camera wet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just use my tracker knife and lift this off. And I'll put it here. It's one of those handy things I have in that little, it's supposed to be cable cutter, but it's good for pots. Just going to use my Leatherman Surge. I always carry a multi-tool in my belt. If you're looking at my Bushcraft belt, there's a video about that already as well. Alright, that's nice. So I'll just put that there, let that cool off a little bit. So, complete burning wise, you can have a look here. That's done really well. You see where the pot was. Oh, weather's getting worse. Right, so I think personally with the stove, £12, that's amazing value. It might have gone up since then, but I bought this a while ago. I just haven't had time to shoot a video about it. I'm not sponsored by it. I did pay for this with my own money, so this is an honest review of it. And for the amount of money I spent on it, you know, it worked really well. I mean, it put out a good amount of heat, burnt all my wood. Boiled pretty quickly. I could put other stuff on there if I wanted to because it's good enough space. So yeah, I would recommend this. Again, I found it on eBay. It's just a no-name, you know, knockoff brand of something. I don't know what it was, but it comes with a case. So now I can just empty this out, chuck it back in the bag, and your bag stays clean. So yeah, really good. I'll put any kind of specs I can find about it on the screen. I've probably done that already, knowing myself. Just gonna have some all-day breakfast, just quick taste test. I don't think I have a vegetarian one before. I'm not a vegetarian, but I got so many MREs at the moment. A lot of them are out of date, but I just eat them anyway. I was brought up on these. I missed the American ones. My dad was in the army, and he had loads, and he had a contact in the army as well, and he was able to get a lot of stuff, but that was many years ago. Definitely smell the beans. So try to focus. I'm trying to work on my camera skills a little bit, but I'm only working with an old camera. I got an iPhone I want to start filming with only because it's lighter. If you see my blue bag in the background, that's my camera bag, and it's a bit of a pain carrying that around when you're trying to shoot a video here and there. The pro of it is it has extra batteries. I ran out of batteries shooting this video, so. Tastes a lot of beans. A little wiener. Oh, not a fan of that, but no. I'm not sure if you can see the inside. About there maybe. It's basically dry on the inside. Definitely tastes a bit science labby. The rest of it is fine. I'll give the other bits to my dog. Right, if you can help with the channel, I'm doing the best I can by posting every Sunday at least. If I can do a short video or something really simple, I'll post that on Wednesday. So I'm trying to keep 2 videos a week when I can, when the weather holds up, when I have free time for my kids, or when my health lets me. This morning I woke up, I felt terrible. My right hip was hurting, my right groin. I rolled my ankle walking my dog on these hills. I got a knot in my left, so I feel like I'm falling apart. I got a hospital appointment in April to see a neurologist. To operate on my spinal cord, so hopefully that will solve a few issues. But if you can, please like, share, subscribe. If you're new to watching this video, basically I do gear reviews, bushcraft stuff, I make stuff, you know, all kinds of stuff, so try to keep it a bit different each week. But I do have loads of playlists. I have playlists about all my fire stuff, individual companies, my cage fights are on there as well, which is why I'm all falling apart. But those are on there as well if you're interested in those. But if you can, you know, share, keep watching, spread the word, and thanks guys for watching, alright? Catch you next video. Bye.